look at this picture. We can see this picture is symmetric with respect to the origin. What's the meaning for that? Look, here is the origin, and this point is negative pi over 2, negative 3. Then you can see there is another point, which is positive pi over 2 and positive 3. You want here, you may put like negative pi over 2 and negative 3 will be this point. Another point will be positive pi over 2 and positive 3. That's this point. If you connect those 2 points, the line will go through the origin. So when you rotate this line 180 degrees, then this point will go here, and this point will go here. So similarly for this point, okay, what's the value for this point? This point, you have a negative pi 0. That's this point. If you put, let me do, then what is the point of this one? So if you put negative in front of negative pi, you put negative in front of 0, what do you get? You have a negative pi, so it's going to be positive pi. You put 0 in front of, you put negative in front of 0, you still have a 0. So that will be this point. This point is symmetric with respect to origin. And we can see right here is that when you connect those 2 points, this one and this one, you rotate 180 degrees. This point goes here, and this point goes here. So then the conclusion for the function of this graph is odd. You want to choose this answer. Odd function is symmetric with respect to the origin. That means when you rotate this function 180 degrees, this point goes here, this point goes here, this point somewhere here will be here. This point somewhere here will be somewhere here when you rotate 180 degrees. Okay? Now, how about this one? Let me eliminate all the functions here. And then right now you don't know the algebraic expression for that. But you can see the graph is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. That means one part of the graph is the mirror image of the other one if we review y is a mirror. So then you see this point is outside, then this point might be inside the mirror if y is a mirror. So is this point. Okay, pi over 2, and here is negative pi over 2. So this graph is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Or you may also say one part of the graph on the right-hand side of y-axis is the mirror image of the other part, which on the left-hand side of y-axis. So the function in this case is even. If we want to know more, here will be the algebraic expression. Right now, probably you do not know. Here is basically is negative 3 cosine x. And then if we restrict the domain to negative pi to the positive pi, then that will be exactly the one right here. You may know later. Okay, so those two examples are very typical. This one is symmetric with respect to the origin. You rotate this picture 180 degrees, the graph will be coincide. And here for the even, the graph is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. So that's the conclusion. Remember, even is symmetric with respect to the y. Odd is not symmetric with respect to the x. Is symmetric with respect to the origin. Okay? So that's the common error I want to point out here. Okay, I'll see you next time.